Hello guys, you're welcome to this class of pre-algebra. In this class we will discuss factors in particular, and then we will go down to discuss about prime numbers, highest common factors, and then lowest common multiples. Now, factors are very, very important part of mathematics because they help us to break down, complex numbers, and this helps us to manipulate a lot of things down the line in mathematics, and that's why they're very, very important foundational topics. So we'll just go deep into it. So what is a factor, right? What is a factor? Now, factors are, it's just like a breakdown. It's a breakdown of a certain number to actually look at different possibilities of numbers that multiply up to this number. So, for instance, you could have like a number, 24. We'll use 24 as an example. And then when we look at 24 as a number, if we want to know what is the factors, then we just basically go from 1 to 24. We wouldn't get to 24, but then I will show you at the point where we actually stop, right? So you look at 1. So basically you take 1, for instance. So what can multiply with 1 to give you 24? It's 1 times 24. So 1 and 24 are factors of 24. And then we look at 2. What can multiply with 2 to give you 24? 12. And then we take 3 with 3 multiply with any number to give 24. Yes, that will be 8. And then we take 4. Can 4 multiply to give 24? Yes, that will be 6. And then we try to take 5, but 5 we know cannot multiply to give 24. So 5 is not a factor. And then we go to 6, and can 6 multiply with any number to give 24? Yes, and that is 4. And then when you look at this part, you notice like it's the same, it's only just inverted. And this point means you can basically stop and take all the numbers and then say all the numbers are like, factors of 24. So for 24, the number 24, what is the factors? The factors is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So basically we just take it like this, just go like this, down this road, and then we go up this way, right? So something like this. So then we don't have any repetition. We'll take another example. This time around we could take maybe a number like 60, let's say 63, right? And here we're trying to look at what are the numbers that could be factors of 63. So we start from 1 as usual. 1 times 63 will give you 63. 2 times what will give you 63? Nothing. So this is not possible, right? So 3 times what will give you 63? Is it possible? We know that 3 times 21 could give us 63. Can 4 give us 63? It's not possible because it's not even an even number. 5 times what? It's not possible because, and then 6 is not possible. Yeah, and then 7 is actually possible. So we have 7 times 9 will give us 63. We look at 8. Is 8 possible? 8 is not possible to give us anything when you multiply 8 with anything to give us 63. And then we get to 9, right? So at this point, we get to the point where we break out again, because then this is basically the same as this, but it's only just inverted. And at this point, we just, give our answers, which is factors of 63. And then we go from up to down, and then down to up, right? So what are the factors? We have 1, 3, 7, 9, 21, 63. So these are the factors of 63. Now in the next class, I will basically take prime numbers. The whole idea is still going to be based on factors, but this time it's just going to be a little bit different, right? So let's just keep around.